Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix XDefiant not launching on your PC. First of all, go to settings and then you need to make sure that your operating system is fully updated. Check for updates, and if there is an update for you, you need to download and install it. Same thing with your GPU, depending on what you're using, NVIDIA or AMD. Go to device manager, then on device manager, look for display adapters here. NVIDIA, right click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers and update them all. Then the next step, go to Ubisoft Connect, go to library, press on the three dots, go to properties, and then go to installation and verify files. Maybe your files is corrupted, some files is corrupted and they need to be fixed. So go ahead and do so. It will take you a couple of minutes, and after that you need to look if the problem persists or not. So you are on this folder, on this little pop-up window, open up folder. Then you need to scroll down until you see XDefiant exe, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimization, run as admin, and select this option and apply. And look if the problem persists or not. Once you are on this window, you need to press on the blank space, copy the path, then go back on desktop, then on search, write virus and threat protection, and then here what you need to do here is to go to firewall network, virus and threat protection, and then again here virus and threat protection, exclusions, add a remove, add an exclusion folder, and then here paste that path, right, and select folder. I already did this, so I can't do this, but for you, if you do not do this, so you can add it here. Then go to Windows Defender Firewall, allow app or feature, click on one of the tasks here, change settings, press X. If there is no XDefiant here, what you need to do here is to allow app or feature here, browse, then again copy the same path that you paste the same path that you pasted, that you copied, and then add the exe file here. Okay, I already did this, so I can't do this, but for you it should be working. Then make sure to if the XDefiant is not launching, make sure to close all the apps with the overlay. Steam uses overlay, Discord uses overlay, GeForce Experience uses overlay, so make sure to close all the apps that uses overlay and then look if the problem persists or not. But after that, just restart your computer and the game should work.